With Meal and a Spiel, I would like to accomplish world peace. And I'm only half kidding. I actually think that cooking good food with love can make the world a better place. If you are fed delicious, amazing food made with love, it is impossible that you go out and shoot somebody in the head afterwards. It's impossible. I'm Elana Horwich of Meal and a Spiel. Mama Italiana. By the way, I'm shooting this and it's like noon. I can't believe she gave a thigh to the dog. And cover your popcorn with the proper lid, which is not in front of me right now. Oops. This one is for you men. I am gonna give you some of my best tips so you can get laid in the kitchen. It's actually very easy, very straightforward. You rub it all around with love. Put it in your mouth. Okay. It's done. Let's go into the kitchen and have a party and feel great.